Lenovo Legion branded smartphones, which were developed in response to Asus's successful ROG phone line, have been well received in China, where they compete with goods from Black Shark and Red Magic that really are similarly inspired. The Legion Y90, the company's next-generation gaming smartphone, has been in the headlines for a while and is now the subject of recent revelations. In China, Lenovo has officially announced the introduction of a much-anticipated gaming smartphone. The Lenovo Legion Y90 has been unveiled in China by the company. The phone is up against the Asus ROG Phone 5S, the Nubia Red Magic 7 series, the Redmi K50 Gaming, and many others. The new Lenovo smartphone is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, which is used in many other gaming and premium phones. The company has included several temperature controlling technologies. So, this is the Legion Y90, which has excellent characteristics and features. The company is well known for its Legion line of gaming laptops, and it has now revealed a high-end gaming phone with top-tier performance and features. So, let us take a look at the Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone and first look. Before we get further, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Okay, now back to the video. Design and display. Since this is a gaming smartphone, the Chinese company focused on providing a strong cooling system to guarantee that the gadget works at its best for extended periods of time. The Legion Y90 has around 1,600 square millimeters of heat dispersion material under the hood, not counting the 3,520 square millimeters big BC cooling plate and its two fans with a fin design concept for enhanced air intake and cooling. The back has a distinct appearance with the trademark Y Legion logo camera module in the center. This elevated oval island module includes RGB lights on its logo as well. It also has two actual fans as well as vent cutouts. Another important and standard gaming feature has the four shoulder-mounted buttons, which may be customized. On the front, it has a 6.92-inch E4 AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support, a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels, a high refreshing rate of 144 Hz, and a touch sampling rate of 720 Hz, which is ideal for smartphone gamers playing competitive games like PUBG Mobile. On the front, there's a chin and a notch, but the sides actually have no bezels. HDR10 Plus is supported by this panel as well. Specification and features. We have mentioned it earlier that the Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone is powered by Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. This is complemented with 18 GB of RAM, with support for 4 GB virtual RAM extension and up to 512 GB of internal storage. Notably, the top-tier model also has 128 GB of SSD storage, which works in conjunction with the UFS 3.1 storage to form a RAID 0 system for faster memory read and write rates. The back camera module is made up of two cameras, a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. On the other hand, the front has a single 16-megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone is powered by a big 5,600 mAh battery pack that allows rapid charging up to 68 watts. This allows the smartphone to be completely charged in as little as 38 minutes. OTG compatibility, Wi-Fi 802.11ax, Bluetooth V5.2, and two USB Type-C ports are also included in this gaming phone. However, a couple of days ago, Lenovo has released a teaser video for two new gaming service devices, the Lenovo Y700 and the Legion Y90. The trailer shows off the Legion Y90's design, which emphasizes the device's gaming aesthetics. Lenovo has already released several critical details about the tablet and stated that it will be introduced on January 1st. The business has now posted a brief video on Weibo, implying that the gadget would be released with the Lenovo Y700 tablet. Full specifications and a release date for the phones are yet to be revealed. Previously released photographs and footage of the Legion Y90 reveal a gadget that has a remarkably unassuming appearance for a gaming phone. There are no unexpected cuts and folds, and the device's back panel is mostly smooth and ordinary. The phone does, however, come with a dual-engine air-cooled system at the back, according to Lenovo. There is currently little information available regarding this cooling technique, although a Lenovo representative has stated that the system would support continuous gaming at high frame rates for lengthy periods of time. Previous rumors said that Lenovo planned to release the Legion Y90 in the first week of January 2022. That hasn't happened, and there hasn't been any word on the subject in a long time. As was the case with previous Lenovo Legion phones, there is very little chance of this one making it to the US. We are not sure whether game-enthusiastic people will love this phone or not, but let's hope for the best. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.